Alright, told you I was going to keep it short. I've decided to go ahead and drop these other trees on it, see how many it can hold. There was a power line back behind it, but they seem to be short enough not to hit it. There's not supposed to be any power to it anyway, but we're going to drop them on it. It's a lot harder to drop them when they're in big groups like that. So we're going to see what happens. Alright, so now we've got one little one, two pretty good sized ones. Still haven't went through it. We're gonna give it one more try. Alright, so we finally found one to go through it. That is a very big pine. And we hit it at the end of the house. I'll take the camera over there and let you see it. But we finally found one to go through it. Alright, so there you have it. We put it right at the end, and that's probably a 24-inch diameter tree, somewhere in that area. So it finally went through it. It didn't go all the way through to the floor, but it went through it. We got 4 trees laid on it. Now we got to clean this mess up. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. If you liked it, like the show. If you didn't like it, hit dislike. I appreciate you watching.